How to sync bank transactions to Notion. Sign into BankSync and click to add your first sync. Add your preferred bank. Now, choose the accounts you'd like to connect. Choose where you'd like your transactions to go. In this case, we'll select Notion. Choose the specific spreadsheet you want to connect. BankSync will automatically pull in your data from here. Connect your transactions, balances, trades, or holdings. In this demo, we'll focus only on transactions. Next, choose which fields you want your data to go into. This decides how your transactions are categorized. Here, I've set up fields for description, date, debit, and credit. You can fully customize these, but if you're unsure, visit banksync.io to check out free templates and get started quickly. I'm matching the fields to the categories I already have in my Notion spreadsheet, and removing the ones I don't need. Then pick your sync schedule and you're done. Automation made easy in just 4 steps.